In this video, I'm going to do an end-to-end analysis of the occultation by Niobe of the Tycho star 3380-0007. We used this example in tutorial 2 and tutorial 3. In tutorial 2, we generated the basic light curve, and in 3, we set up for timestamp. So we are now ready to demonstrate a complete end-to-end analysis of a video. So I'll start by selecting the folder that we've been working on. It's the Niobe occultation of this Tycho star. I will open it, and we see when it opens, it already shows the optical character recognition selection boxes for the timestamp extraction. That's because we did that in a previous video. I'm going to use my knowledge of the fact that the occultation occurs very nicely in the region of frames 4500 to 5600. And I'm going to get out of field mode, and I'm going to bring back the apertures that we used in the previous example. Just so we can see what's going on, I will once again use the contrast control to make our star field a little more visible. Turn it off so it is applied to all of the frames. And I'm now ready to begin the analysis. The analysis has begun. Now, this will take a minute or two to complete. And I just want to stress the fact that this analysis is as easy as it is because of the work that we had done before. I also want to draw your attention to this control right here. If you have PyMovie installed, as I do, you will have the option to check this box. And we're going to do that in this case. So if I check that box, I now have enabled the automatic running of PyMovie whenever we write a CSV file. That will open PyMovie and take us directly to the CSV file that we have just written. Let's see how we're doing so far. We can do a plot, and we can see, yep, there's our occultation coming into view. There's our reference star, nothing bad going on there. There's our target, and everything looks good. We only need to wait for the analysis to complete. Let's just see how it looks right now. Looks like everything is fine. So when it completes, we are ready to write the CSV. So we will call this test 1 with timestamps. And when I save it, I get this message that PyMovie is starting up. And it takes a few seconds, but bingo, there's PyMovie. There's our occultation. We've got a little bit of a problem right in this area. We had timestamp information, and the timestamp information enabled PyMovie to look for discrepancies. And it found about 7, 8 discrepancies. I have looked at each one of these, and none of them are due to OCR misrecognitions. They are all either a dropped frame or a duplicated frame. So this particular observation has a problem in this area that would have to be dealt with. Now, PyMovie could just give you the time of the D, and you could work out the R on your own. So that demonstrates an end-to-end analysis of an occultation video. And that is the end of this video.